Many people wait until they notice significant hearing problems before booking a hearing test. But did you know that hearing can gradually change over time without being immediately obvious? Routine hearing assessments can help establish a baseline and identify changes early. People who are frequently exposed to loud environments, wear hearing aids, or simply want to monitor their hearing health may benefit from regular hearing checks as recommended by an audiologist. A hearing test isn't just about whether you can hear sounds, it's about understanding how well you hear speech, especially in everyday situations. As hearing technology continues to improve, staying informed about your hearing health has never been more important.